SG passing away has been a huge jolt. It's been shocking, it's been surprising, it's been extremely sad also. What SG would have wanted us to do is celebrate his cinema, his work, his life, and the happiness that he's always spread through his work. And that's what we are going to do. We are going to believe that all the 50 years of work that he put into the film industry in his film, fortunately for me, I worked with him for 20 years. The one thing that was always common was that he wanted, when his films came out, जब भी मैंने उनसे बात की वो यही कहते थे कि यार बड़ी खुशी हुई कि लोगों को खुशी हुई फिल्म देख के. They were different subjects, they were thrillers, they were romantic films, they were love stories, they were action films, they were social dramas. But every time, the one thing common that he wanted was that we should be happy. And that's why I think he always chose, or maybe Diwali chose him as the day when all his films came. Somehow he related to the day of Diwali where his films came out, the festival of lights and happiness, new beginnings. And I think that's how we see it. All of us, I speak on behalf of Katrina, on behalf of Anushka, that what we are going to do now is we are going to celebrate the release, the experience, hopefully, that everyone is going to have after watching Jab Tak Hai Jaan.
Yashji, working with him was like a dream come true. And also one thing I wanted to say is I think, as Shah Rukh sir already said, Yashji really, I think, truly went out like a hero, like the films he made, and that's the way he lived his life.
To get the opportunity to work with Yash Chopra sort of makes your CV perfect, to say the least. So at this stage in my career, to have this opportunity means a lot to me.
रोमांटिक फिल्म है और कहानी उसकी ये है कि प्यार मोहब्बत की कहानी जिसे कहते हैं, लव स्टोरी, मैच्योर लव स्टोरी है. इट्स गॉट अ सोल ऑफ अ क्लासिक लव स्टोरी, द लैंग्वेज ऑफ टुडे. समर आनंद मेरा नाम है, अकीरा इनका नाम है, मीरा इनका नाम है. एंड द स्टोरी स्पैन्स अ टाइम पीरियड. आई प्ले एन आर्मी ऑफिसर एंड नॉर्मली व्हाट वी डू इज व्हेन वी मेक अ फिल्म वी एक्सपेक्ट पीपल टू गो एंड सी इट ऑन अ फ्राइडे एंड एंजॉय इट. सो जब आपको बाकी कहानी जाननी होगी तो आप उसको देख लें.
Honestly, I didn't think I'll get to work with him again. I don't know why, but I just thought like maybe I won't do another film with him. But this experience was even better because I think I got more comfortable with him. And you know, when you work with Shah Rukh, it doesn't feel like work. You just have a great time on set because he's like joking and he's so witty, and it just everyone's is like you know, he just makes everyone feel very light-hearted and happy. Or everyone, technicians, everyone on set. So it was amazing working with him. And one thing that I love about Shah Rukh, I think I've said this before, I think he smells really good. Okay, you know, you guys should just come and like take a sniff. He's superb.
मुझे एक बार याद है हम एक सीन कर रहे थे और ये रो नहीं रही थी ठीक तरह से, तो मैं बार बार इंसिस्ट कर रहा था. आदि ने भी कह दिया ठीक है. And I wanted to insist that, you know, because she has got always, as an actor first I'll say, a different way of dealing with the scene. And when I said it right in the beginning of the first time I came and talked about this film, that I had learned a lot from both these actors. I was not just saying it. I was not being patronizing because I worked in more films. I genuinely meant it. That's one part. Second part is, you know, she's got an effervescence, very natural effervescence. She's always, mashallah, happy. They're extremely beautiful. And I like her smile a lot. And Katrina, मैं तेरे पास भी आ रहा हूँ.
No.
आ रहा हूँ.
I have till tomorrow.
Okay. And okay, ये हो गया, अनुष्का हो गया. मैं तुम्हें बता दूं यार, दो लड़कियों को साथ साथ रखना बड़ा डिफिकल्ट. It's really difficult handling two girls at the same time. Okay, let me, and Katrina, like I've said, first of all, I think this whole nonsense everyone says Katrina's hardworking is completely, what do you say, balderdash, no, whatever, nonsense. I think ये कोई compliment नहीं है. All of us work hard, and she does too. But I think the first quality that I've worked with Katrina on and off on stage, but never in a full-length film. So we spend a lot of time together. The first quality that comes through is Katrina's very, very gentle. Second, I think she's got a very pretty nose, because eyes I've used there, okay? So I'm trying to
I
do
don't know why you're
different.
letting him finish. He's just dividing the body parts and dividing the different adjectives. So, but you're on one, by the way, because I'm counting.
Yeah,
You're
okay,
on
yeah.
gentle.
No, no,
For Anushka, you've used about 25
Yeah,
adjectives. So one.
इनके बाल बहुत खूबसूरत हैं और they're really nice. I think
Manicure hands are always very nice.
Yeah, hands are very beautiful. Anushka, tell me some more. Tell me some more.
Soft skin, soft
Skin, soft skin. Yeah, Anushka ने
Luscious
बताया.
hair.
मुझे नहीं पता.
And they
Luscious
call you the
hair.
king of romance, Shah Rukh. Please.
He said now, like the heroines, like bring it out.
तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्तियां, तेरी हंसी की बेपरवाह गुस्ताखियां, तेरी सॉफ्ट स्किन, तेरी खूबसूरत आंखें, नहीं भूलूंगा मैं जब तक है जान. इस बारी इसलिए दो बार बोलता हूँ, जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान.
But I can tell you one thing that I don't know, maybe that has something to do with it. He'll, to his heroine, at least with me, he used to always grab my shoulders and say, "Look into my eyes, look into my eyes." So, yeah, maybe he makes it happen.
I learn it from the eyes of the girls who are working with me. No, but you can't learn romance. You got to feel it. I mean, I'm really. I did economics very well. I did mass communication rather well, and sciences, and I don't know if I've learned acting well.
I still want to
but
see these certificates.
I've got them. They're on the net. I'm very educated. I can.
From
I can,
Jamia.
I can walk English. I can talk English. I'm तीन बेइंतहा खूबसूरत लोग आपके सामने. ओके, इस फिल्म की प्रमोशन की डील ये थी जो अभी तक नहीं हुई है कि मैं इन प्रमोशन में बिल्कुल बात नहीं करूंगा, कटरीना जी करेंगी. प्लीज आंसर नाउ.
Yeah, Katrina.
How is it going to be different from the other films?
That's the new thing. Shah Rukh sir will be the prop, and me and Anushka will be doing the talking. I think that will make for very interesting viewing, personally.